Welcome to the Highland Goat Farm in Maningcao, Sibulan. Here, the rush of the world fades. Step into a space designed purely for relaxation. Your only goal is to recharge. Let the sweeping views provide the perfect cure for stress relief. From your private porch, gaze out at the endless green mountains. Feel the quiet rhythm of the highlands. Find joy in a simple pleasure, a refreshing dip in the pool under the open sky, a playful game of darts, or a slow walk among the veterans. Every activity is a form of rest, and of course, the heart of our haven, the goats. Their gentle presence offers pure unconditional therapy. Just a touch, a moment of connection, and the worries melt away. This is your space, your best experience. Stop searching for a peace and find it here at the Highland Goat Farm.
Biyahe tayo nang ating makita ang ganda ng